Hey guys, I'm Tim with Original Strength, and this week I wanted to encourage you to explore how your body can move. The other week I was playing airsoft with my teenage sons, and I was trying not to get shot in the head, and I discovered that in order not to get shot, I started looking around corners and stuff by trying to stay low to reduce the target size and also to peek around the corners. And in doing that, I was discovering all these ways that I could move that I wasn't really knowing or even thinking about how to move, but I was trying to figure out how not to get shot, right? But in that process, I was learning how to move in different ways that I don't normally move. And then it hit me, the ability to move is just wonderful. To be able to move your body as you need to or want to without really having to struggle. So my whole point to this is spend time, set aside 10 minutes a day and just see how you can move. And you can be creative, or you can pretend like you're in the jungle trying to get under logs or reach over logs. But see where your body will let you move, because it really is good to be able to move, and it does really feel good to feel good. And one of the things that feels amazing is having endless possibilities to move without restriction or fear or pain. So not as much of a movement tip other than, hey, explore how your body can move and then practice it. And then the more you do that, the more you'll find that you can move even more. What? The more you move, the more ability you have to move later. Give that a shot. Explore how you can move on purpose daily. Anyway, I'm Tim with Original Strength, and we'll see you next time.
To learn more, consider attending an Original Strength workshop. Visit originalstrength.net.